on the OBS. Got all my wiring tidied up. I don't remember what the last update I did was, but truck runs, moves under its own power now. Got the coolant level pretty much dialed. Starting on this exhaust right now. So I've got it going down, snakes around those heater core lines, goes right through a tiny spot down there. Didn't have enough room to go down in beside the tire. I've got it turned at full lock right now, so it would have been a bit tight for that. So we are going to go on the inside of the frame rail, but just got the first couple pieces tacked in there. I am MIGging it. Just having some issues with the TIG welder, getting all that figured out, so I'm going to MIG this. I might actually now, looking at my wastegate, go straight from my wastegate, boom, into that, and then everything goes down. It's gonna go under the truck on the inside of the frame rail, and then I think I'm gonna kick it out maybe right in front of this tire here. I do have the cutouts, so it's gonna be one straight 3-inch. I've got this cutout. We'll go into another 3-inch, and then I'm gonna parallel them. The one section that doesn't bypass everything will have mufflers and a resonator, or muffler and a resonator, and then the other piece will be straight piped and hopefully open up that flow once that valve's opened into two 3-inch pipes.